So class 7 chapter number 15 active and passive voice. Now as you have seen that without being revision आज के रकम तो के दो बार करालाम. I made you practice 2 times. Still none of you did all the questions correctly. করেছিস কেউ? হয় নাই. This means you are not practicing. So practice a lot. Let us look at question number G. Now before G, look at the examples. Present perfect. He has written many novels in the past. So this is an active voice. Which tense? কোন tense আছে? Present perfect tense. What is the structure of present perfect tense? Has or have. Has have থাকবে question এ plus third form of the verb থাকবে. Now when we change present perfect tense into passive, structure কি হয়ে যায়? Has or have plus been. You can see G যে কোশ্চেনটা আছে তার উপর লাইনে স্ট্রাকচার দেওয়া আছে. কোশ্চেন নাম্বার জি আছে তার উপর লাইনে স্ট্রাকচারটা দেওয়া আছে প্যাসিভে. সো when we change to passive, has or have plus been plus third form of the verb. Past participle means third form of the verb. এটা হচ্ছে স্ট্রাকচার, right? So he has written many novels in the past. What is the object here? Novels, তাই না? Many novels. So many novels plural. Plural থাকলে have হবে. Have been written by him in the past. Who has broken the glass? Subject object কি আছে? The glass. The glass. Sorry, who has broken? Interrogative sentence আছে এটা. This is interrogative sentence. By whom has the glass been broken? Question mark. Right? By whom? किसके द्वारा? के. By whom has the glass been broken? Interrogative. Interrogative থাকলে প্যাসিভটাও কিন্তু interrogative থাকবে. So G1, that car has hit an old man. So what will the answer? An old man has been hit by that car. An old man has been hit by that car. Number 2, the principal has appointed him the head boy. The principal has appointed him the head boy. He has been appointed. Him আছে, himটা he হয়ে যাবে, ওটা অ্যাক্টিভেশন করব সাবজেক্টে. He has been appointed the head boy by the principal. Number 3, has he told you the real story? Interrogative sentence. তাহলে যদি করি আমরা প্যাসিভে, has the real story been told by him? Has the real story been told to you by him? Right? Has the real story being told to you? तुमको बोला गया, तुम्हाके बोला হয়েছে उसके द्वारा. Has the real story being told to you by him? Number 4, the gardener has pruned the bushes. Pruned মানে হচ্ছে छटाई करना. झाड़ियां होती है ना, बड़ी कैंची से काटते हैं, कैंची দিয়ে काटा হয়. So the bushes কি হবে? has হবে না have হবে? Have. The bushes have been pruned by the gardener. Number 5, who scattered the garbage here? Interrogative আছে. By whom? By whom? তারপরে has been the garbage scattered. By whom has been the garbage scattered? বা আরেকটা হতে পারে by whom the garbage has been scattered here. By whom the garbage has been scattered here. এটা বেস্ট হবে. নেক্সট, সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্স. অ্যাক্টিভে সেকেন্ড ফর্ম অফ দ্য ভার্ব থাকবে. প্যাসিভ হলে was were প্লাস থার্ড ফর্ম. was were প্লাস থার্ড ফর্ম. The pilot flew the aircraft at a great height. The aircraft was, aircraft singular, was হবে, was flown by the pilot at a great height. Interrogative sentence, did he post the letter? Was the letter posted by him? Was the letter posted by him? মাথায় রাখবে interrogative sentence will remain interrogative থাকবে, question markটা put করতে হবে. Who created confusion in the class? By whom was confusion created in the class? As a homework, G, H, I, J and K. Up to K I am giving you as homework. যেগুলো বুকে হবে fill in the blanks বুকে করবে, যেগুলো খাতায় করা খাতায় শুধু আনসার্স গুলো করবে. It must be done. খাতায় শুধু আনসার্স গুলো করে বুকে fill in the blanks বুকে করবে.